Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha. You can find out more about me at KishaJaggers.com. That link is in the description box with links to all of my social media. I would definitely love it if you followed along on Facebook and on Instagram. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Definitely take a minute to get subscribed and hit that notification bell. You will know when I put up new videos that way and you won't miss any. So I know a lot of times you guys see me do the big food hauls every couple weeks. You know, we do a lot of shopping, but I never show you like really the weeks in between. The weeks where I usually buy produce and other little things that we might need or want. So AJ and I went to the store just a little bit ago. He is the cutest. But his shopping trips, because he's only 9 months, almost 10 months old, have to be kind of limited. So the big shopping trips are generally really hard with AJ. If I'm in the store longer than 30 to 45 minutes, he is just not having it. So today we went. We were only in the store for around 30 minutes and we got everything we needed. I definitely wanted to talk a minute about where I shop. I shop at, I guess, 4 different stores. I shop at Walmart sometimes. That's really the closest store to my house. I shop at Kroger's quite a bit. I shop at Aldi's every once in a while, and I love to shop at Myers as well. AJ's in his jumperoo if you can hear him. So today's haul is from Kroger's. Now, I know what AJ is eating more and more, you know, like his favorite things, and I know obviously what we like and what we need, so I'm always looking on the Kroger app. I'm seeing what coupons they have available, and then I'm also looking for manufacturer coupons online and trying to maximize my savings. So we have a family of 4 that, well, really that's not true. We have a family of 6 some nights. We have a family of 5 a lot of nights. We have a family of 4 some nights, and sometimes it's just Ryan and myself and AJ. So we, you know, sometimes we have to cook for just a few people, sometimes we're cooking for a bunch of people, and a lot of times during the week we need to restock on produce. And there are coupons for produce. I know a lot of people don't think so, but a lot of times the stores, the individual stores like Kroger's and Myers, even Aldi sometimes have coupons for produce. And a lot of times the store coupons that come out of the machines, especially from Myers and Kroger's, will give you like $5 off your next produce order of $15 or more, stuff like that. But I did get more produce today. He's so loud in that thing. He loves it. And, you know, it's not that hard and it's not that expensive to buy healthy stuff. Not everything has to be organic. I don't buy as much organic anymore. It's just something that I've kind of cut back on due to pricing. But when I can, I do buy it. So I went with the intentions of getting 2 meat items because I want to make, I have other food in the refrigerator and freezer, but I wanted to make some honey garlic, I'm sorry, I had to look and see what I was thinking about. Honey garlic chicken thighs. And I also wanted to make one night the hamburger casserole. I know I shared it in a vlog. I'm not sure, but I'm going to do a cook with me, which should make all of you guys happy and include some meals at the end of this week. But I wanted to make this hamburger casserole. It tastes just like a McDonald's cheeseburger. Jackson absolutely loves it. And so even with that and the chicken thighs, AJ can eat those. So I went ahead and I got just a big package of ground beef. This is 80% lean and 20% fat. So that is for the hamburger casserole. Wasn't expensive. And then I got this big package of chicken thighs from Kroger's, and these were $4.10. And that's going to feed at least 5 of us. So that's a really good deal. Chicken thighs are amazing. They are cheap and they taste really good. They're packed with flavor. Excuse me. So to go with the cheeseburger casserole, I got 2 of the Simple Truth potatoes. These are just the crinkle cut fries, and here are the sweet potato crinkle cut fries. So I had coupons for both of these, and definitely got them on sale and used the coupons. So I feel like, you know, I saved a lot with him. He's a loud boy. Then also for the hamburger casserole, I found coupons, 2 Pillsbury coupons, and I needed 2 8-ounce things of crescent rolls. And so I found a coupon for I think 25 cents off 2, and that worked out perfect. It just takes a little bit of research. I'm not like one of those major couponers that, you know, gets money back when I shop. But I do try to make an effort, just because. Now, a lot of times, and I need this for the cheeseburger casserole. A lot of times, store brands. So this is the Kroger brand. Store brands are cheaper, obviously, and this had a coupon, so I feel good about that. And it was just one of those coupons that printed out of the machine that I kept and paid attention to, because obviously we need stuff during the week as well. I was out of soy sauce, so I got some more of that. That is for the honey garlic chicken. Speaking of the honey garlic chicken, I decided to make it easy on myself and just buy some peeled garlic. This was a little more expensive. It was $2 and something, but I just thought it was worth it. It's a big time saver. I'm busy a lot of nights, like I said, and in my vlogs, it's hard to get cooking videos up. It's hard to get dinner done sometimes with so many things going on in our house at once. Peeling garlic is just something I just really don't want to do. I got a tomato, just simply for the hamburger casserole. I like to put a little bit of this on top. I also got 4 peaches for AJ and anybody else who wants them. Always try to buy the fruit that's in season. You're going to save money that way. So I got 4 of those. I got a big bunch of broccoli, and that is going to go as it's going to be our side the night I make the chicken thighs. So definitely, you know, healthy, and I'm just going to steam it on the stove. Super easy. We needed lettuce for sandwiches, and again, I like to put some on top as basically a garnish to the hamburger casserole. So I got just some iceberg. I got some strawberries, and I had a coupon. I had an actual coupon for Wish Farms, and I love that. And if you're not careful, you know, your produce will go bad. I will link up a card on what I do with my produce when I bring it home to preserve it. And it takes a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. I know I'm a mess today, you guys. It just is what it is. I got some bananas. Our whole family loves bananas. AJ loves them. And Jackson and I love them as well, and so does Brian. Also for AJ, I got 2 little sweet potatoes. These are just the microwavable ones. They were actually on sale at my Kroger's today, and I just got 2 little ones so we can give those to AJ with his dinner some nights. I got 2 salads. I loved this sweet kale salad. It was actually on sale. I took the one because that's marked down. Even it looked great. I already checked it out, and I'm going to eat it like today or tomorrow, so I know it will be fine. I also found this in produce. It's a Man's Nourished Bowls Smokehouse Brussels salad. It's Brussels sprouts, kale, kohlrabi, bacon, and sweet maple glaze. It's got 340 calories, so not the healthiest, but I still thought it would be really good. And it says it can be warmed up. A warm meal, 3 to 4 minutes in the microwave. So I'll try that, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Also in produce, I got some of these gourmet garden chives and parsley. Love these. They are dried and they last forever, and I just used up all of my parsley one that I had. I plan on growing some herbs this summer, or next summer, I mean, but we moved into this house kind of late, and I didn't have herbs already at the apartment, so I'm not going to start them here, I don't think. I got some dill pickles. It goes in the casserole, and we love pickles around here, so we'll munch on those. Be interesting to give AJ one and see what his reaction is. I also got some sesame seeds, because that goes on top of the crescent dough for the hamburger casserole, and I didn't have any. and I needed some more garlic powder, and this smidge spoon spice was on sale, so I got that one. Oh, and for private selection, had a coupon for that. It was again one of the ones that printed out. I had a coupon for the simple organic fruit and vegetable puree, just like 25 cents off one. And this one is pear, carrot, and blueberry, so AJ can have that. I got some scallions, because we use those. I had a Gerber coupon for juice, and you know, we do give AJ juice occasionally. Helps with constipation. He doesn't have that problem anymore, and he's not even on his Miralax that the doctor prescribed anymore. But this helps, so we give him that. I got some rice wine vinegar for the night we have the chicken thighs. I also scoured the internet and found a coupon for 50 cents off the Dole mandarin oranges. AJ loves these, and it was the 1 pound container, so I saved some money on that. And then I found some Gerber coupons and paired them with some sales that was going on at my Kroger's. I got some more of the diced apples. These are the pickups, and I like these apples better than apples that you can just buy fresh, because these are super soft. And so maybe I'll cook down some apples a little bit for him. And I also got some more pickups. These pickups. These are the pasta pickups. So this is chicken and carrot ravioli. This is turkey and vegetable ravioli. I hear him. And this is beef and tomato ravioli. So AJ loves those. I had a 1 coupon for my Eating Well frozen meal, and I could have picked any of them, but I love the chicken and fingerling potatoes. This is a really good one. It's amazing, you guys. I got some more American cheese. This was the Kroger brand. This was what was on sale, so that's what I got. And I also got a bag of potatoes, and I paid full price for these. I wanted to roast some with the chicken thigh meal, and I just wanted to have some more on hand, so I just got a bag of potatoes. So that is everything I got. It's not a ton. It's one of these weekday shopping hauls. Everything that you saw, $55. $55. I felt like we did really good for $55. I got everything I needed and then some. As you can see, there's no sweets, there's no Cokes. We're working on it. It's a work in progress in our family. I didn't buy anything that I thought was really junk foodish. I guess the apple juice would be right up there on junk food, maybe. But I didn't buy a lot this time that included a lot of junk. Just produce, stuff that was on sale, and stuff that we needed, and I stuck to my list, and I took my coupons in and saved a bunch of money. And, you know, obviously you can save money at Aldi's as well, quite a bit of money, in fact. But it is almost lunchtime. I'm going to give AJ some lunch and eat some lunch myself, maybe that kale salad, and I will see you very soon. You hear him? He hears me. Hold on. Here is my wild child. Mwah! My cute, sweet little boy, and he had a great time. You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, you're doing it. Say hi. And he is doing great. I will have a what he's eating video up very soon. Obviously, it changes day to day, and he's trying all kinds of new things and just really experimenting with food. And he's such a sweetheart. So we both thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.